What's up guys, in today's video we'll be exploring the top 5 best massage chairs that you can get right now. After extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options for different types of buyers, whether it's performance, price, or specific needs. I've included links in the description box down below with updated prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. The Real Relax Zero Gravity is a full-body massage chair designed to deliver a luxurious and personalized massage experience. Its SL-Track technology follows the natural curve of your spine, providing comprehensive massages from head to toe. The chair's one-button zero-gravity design allows users to recline fully, inducing a state of ultimate relaxation. Additional features include a heating function, Bluetooth connectivity, and a foot roller, enhancing comfort and convenience during massages. Equipped with 8 fixed rollers, the chair delivers deep tissue massages to the back, waist, and legs. Full-body airbags provide compression therapy to the shoulders, arms, hips, and feet. With 6 preset auto modes and 3 levels of airbag and back roller massage, users can customize their massage experience according to their preferences and needs. Customers have lauded the Real Relax Zero Gravity massage chair for its affordability, quality, and performance. Suitable for individuals under 6.1 feet tall and weighing up to 380 pounds, the chair accommodates a wide range of users. It is available in various colors and comes with a 3-year limited warranty, providing assurance of its durability and reliability. In summary, the Real Relax Zero Gravity massage chair offers high-quality massage features at an affordable price point, making it an excellent choice for individuals seeking a reliable and customizable massage chair experience. The Osaki OS 4D Escape stands as a top-tier massage chair offering an opulent and personalized massage experience. Its standout feature is the 4D massage mechanism with an S-track design, allowing the rollers to move along the natural curve of the spine, providing a precise and highly effective massage. This advanced technology ensures a massage experience tailored to individual needs, effectively relieving muscle tension and promoting relaxation. Enhancing the overall massage experience, the chair incorporates a space capsule cover, chromotherapy lighting, and aromatherapy. These additional features create a luxurious ambience, further elevating the massage session. The chair also boasts a 2-stage zero-gravity feature, reducing heart pressure and stimulating blood circulation, promoting a sense of weightlessness and deep relaxation. The heating feature provides additional comfort, soothing sore muscles and enhancing the overall massage experience. The Osaki OS 4D Escape massage chair is not only technologically advanced, but also stylish, featuring a retractable ottoman that can be flipped around to conceal, transforming it into an elegant recliner suitable for any home or office environment. With a variety of color options and a 3-year limited warranty, this chair caters to diverse preferences and provides customers with confidence in their purchase. Customer feedback has been overwhelmingly positive, with users praising its effectiveness in relieving muscle tension, its customizable features, and its stylish design. Suitable for individuals of all ages, this high-end massage chair brings the spa experience into the comfort of one's home, making it an excellent choice for those seeking a luxurious and personalized massage experience. The Human Touch WholeBody 7.1 stands out as a premium and luxurious massage chair designed to offer a personalized and indulgent massage experience. Featuring a 27-inch 3D roller track with FlexGlide orbital technology, this chair delivers an exceptional massage that contours to your body's natural curves, providing deep relaxation and muscle relief. The chair incorporates patented warm air technology and BodyMap Pro, enhancing the massage experience to new heights of comfort and tranquility. A unique feature of this massage chair is its retractable ottoman, which can be flipped around to hide, transforming it into a stylish recliner suitable for any home or office setting. The patented Figure 8 technology in the ottoman replaces traditional airbags, offering refreshing and relaxing massages for your feet and calves. Additionally, the chair boasts a 55-degree swivel base, allowing users to enjoy massages from various angles, enhancing flexibility and convenience. The Human Touch WholeBody 7.1 massage chair comes with a user-friendly remote control, enabling customization of the massage experience according to individual preferences. Available in 4 different colors, this chair seamlessly blends into any home decor. With a 3-year limited warranty, customers can enjoy peace of mind with their purchase. Feedback from customers has been overwhelmingly positive, with users praising the chair's effectiveness in relieving muscle tension, its customizable features, and its elegant design. For those seeking a high-end massage chair that replicates the spa experience within the comforts of home, the Human Touch WholeBody 7.1 massage chair stands as an excellent choice. The Homedics Shiatsu Elite 2 massage cushion stands out as a highly acclaimed massage solution, offering a personalized and relaxing massage experience for users. This versatile massager features 3 distinct massage styles, catering to various muscle groups including the neck, shoulders, back, and seat. Users can choose from 3 massage zones, targeting the upper back and shoulders, lower back, or the entire back simultaneously, providing an invigorating and customized massage session. One of its standout features is the gentle heat therapy that permeates the neck, shoulders, and back muscles, delivering a soothing and enhanced massage experience. The cushion is equipped with a user-friendly pre-programmed controller, allowing easy adjustments of settings with a simple touch. Users can modify the massage width, height, and heat settings, and even reverse the massage direction to suit their preferences. Designed with an integrated strapping system, the cushion ensures a secure fit on most chairs, making it incredibly convenient for use at home, in the office, or while traveling. Its premium padding and upholstery guarantee added comfort and durability, ensuring a long-lasting and enjoyable massage experience. The Homedics Shiatsu Elite 2 massage cushion is available in a stylish gray and black color combination and comes with a 2-year limited warranty, providing customers with confidence in their purchase. With positive reviews from satisfied users praising its effectiveness in relieving muscle tension and its customizable features, this massage cushion continues to be a popular choice among individuals seeking relaxation and relief from everyday stress. The iRest SL Track is a top-of-the-line full-body massage chair designed to offer a luxurious and customized massage experience. Its innovative SL Track design, incorporating human engineering and advanced SL ShapeSpace curved rail technology, provides a relaxing spine curvature and effectively relieves tense muscles. With a massage distance of 135 centimeters, the chair ensures comprehensive head-to-leg massage coverage, allowing users to enjoy a deeply personal massage session. Equipped with strategically placed airbags, the chair offers targeted pressure massages, enveloping the instep and calf areas to soothe sore muscles and provide relief. The foot massage feature includes external airbags, delivering a deep and satisfying massage experience. Additionally, the chair boasts a zero-gravity function, which reduces heart pressure and enhances blood circulation, promoting overall relaxation. The added heating feature enhances comfort, making the massage experience even more enjoyable. Customers have praised the iRest SL Track massage chair for its excellent value for money, full-body massage capabilities, and easy assembly. However, there have been some mixed reviews, with a few users mentioning limitations and complications. Despite this, the chair's comprehensive features, 3-year warranty, and availability in various colors make it an appealing choice for individuals seeking a spa-like massage experience in the comfort of their own home.